What you're hearing is China radio out of Cherik. And I looked up Cherik, and it's in the Middle East in Albania, I believe. So that transmitter is quite a ways from me. It is 7:39 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. I'm using Big Bertha. She's the Grundig satellite 800 connected to my 31-foot vertical antenna, and I tuned this about 20 minutes ago. It was really strong. Now it's getting a little weaker.
And if there's any time you saw the time with incredible that I think has been the changes and also at the time.
But there's definitely something going on as far as propagation and shortwave reception, because I am now getting stations I haven't gotten in 9 months or more. And this is just one of them. And this is even upper the HF band, which I typically don't get in the morning. I usually get the lower frequencies in the morning. Again, this is at 13.665 megahertz. And it's coming in pretty darn good. And I run across a couple of stations already this morning, and this is the one that kind of stood out as being kind of unusual for me to receive. I don't think I've ever received transmission from China radio on this particular frequency. Usually it's the 31 meter band. So I just thought I'd want to show it to you real quick. Dust off your shortwave radios, and according to the doctor, we should have about 2 weeks of improved, keyword, improved shortwave listening. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.